Boom boom. Sunny will be bombed. Look. JK. Oh wow. Just like that it looks. There's this side. It's not the best as this side. Which ocean we're at again?
Which what?
The ocean?
The Pacific.
We're at the Pacific Beach, right?
Oh, which beach?
Yeah.
We're not at a beach.
Oh, okay. We're at
the Coast Guard
Coast Guard base. We have ocean stuff too.
Looking at the bay.
Oh my god! Oh my god, that is so cute. I got it. I got it.
Picture?
Well, no. I should start taking pictures. I do have. Yo, why did I take a picture? Stupid.
How long did the dating Travis off?
I don't know.
Your feet hurt.
I don't know.
Ready for the finale.
You can go back. I'm just gonna be here. Bailey? Oh, okay. Happy Independence Day! Yeah.
Shooting all directions.
That is. It's just that the smoke is like blocking the way, but. Ooh!
I'm ruining your video with my voice.
Like I'm not ruining my video really by just by talking. Boom boom. Ah, so pretty. Just look like they're just like throwing a shit ton of a ton of like fireworks stuff and just fire them all.
There we go. Here's the finale. Epic. Some year I'd like to spend the 4th of July with Bobby.
What?
Some year I'd like to spend the 4th of July.
I know, right? Last year I didn't get to spend with Chan, so
I don't spend
you will.
You will.
You will. The only July 4th that I spent with Chan was back in 2011.
That's the only one out of all of your 8 years together.
Yep.
Even if it takes 5 years, hopefully I'll get one.
Oh my god, that looks scary. Looks like sperm. That's so bad. I got recorded too. Yeah, I just have to say it. It looks so like
That's
that.
true. I can smell them.
Yep. Ugh. I wish I had those sparkle outfit. Sparklers. Yeah.
Me too. Our alarm's going off every day.